The 40th edition of the world's second largest gem and jewellery show, the IIJS Premiere, is taking place at dual venues. Geo World Convention Centre from 8th to 12th August and the Bombay Exhibition Centre from 9th to 13th August. IIJS Premiere now aims to celebrate India's cultural diversity, traditions and technological skills with its theme Brilliant Bharat, to rediscover and celebrate India's glorious history, enriched with the tales of the Indian royal family who were known for the opulent lifestyle and magnificent jewellery made with the rarest gemstones and finest craftsmanship. The campaign Brilliant Bharat will provide a platform for exhibiting the artistry of Indian jewellery, increasing exports, promoting Indian brands, fostering innovation and boosting the economic growth of Bharat. And that's not all. IIJS now has 3 shows around the year: IIJS Premiere, IIJS Signature and IIJS Rithya. Register now for the 40th edition of the IIJS Premiere, where tradition will meet innovation.